The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Emergency Management Agency. In conjunction with the New York National Guard, mass riots are occurring in the entire state of New York. The people that are participating in the riots are also saying, "The fog is coming," multiple times. We will continue to find the source of where the fog is. At all times, please stay indoors immediately and do not participate in the riots, as you'll be arrested by the National Guard. Please stay tuned for more information on this situation. The Connecticut Emergency Management Agency has issued a civil emergency message for the state of Connecticut. Riots are ongoing throughout the state of New York, as well as some parts of southwestern Connecticut as well. People who are participating in the riots are also saying, "The fog is coming," multiple times. We are not sure at this time, but the New York and Connecticut emergency management agencies are still finding the source of where the fog is. At this time, you must stay indoors and do not participate in the riots, or you'll be arrested by the Connecticut National Guard. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for further updates on this situation.
Good morning, New York City. This is Good Morning America, at ABC New York. This breaking news is that riots are occurring across the entire state of New York, and also in Connecticut. People were also saying that the fog is coming, which we still don't know yet. The U.S. military will be finding the source of the fog, and where did it locate. We will continue to serve updates.
National Information Center Statement. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The riots at the states of Connecticut and New York, that have been saying that the fog is coming, are now confirmed true. The fog is being detected in Europe, and why we only discovered this fog's presence is because that communication systems have been hijacked, due to the fog's interference. This fog is now far as Ireland and Iceland, and is supposed to reach the East Coast within 17 hours. All residents in the United States should shelter in place immediately. Close all air conditioners, gas lines, and air vents. Lock all doors and windows and gather anyone in your household. Cover up any holes on the wall, so that the fog can't enter your home. Bring water, food, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, flashlight, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio for your survival. Please stay tuned to radio stations for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. As of now, the fog that has been spreading throughout Europe has nearly entered United States, as well as Canada. This fog can kill anyone due to the lack of oxygen it has, and will expect to arrive within minutes. We are reaching our darkest times, Americans, but the United States will never fail, or would our nation fall due to this fog. All residents in the United States should shelter in place to protect yourselves from potential
false alarm. There is no emergency occurring at this time. The fog threat is a hoax. Repeat. False alarm. Go outside, go outside, go outside.
Event type is global emergency. For all of southern and mid-Canada. This message is transmitted at the request of the Canadian Emergency Management Agency. As of now, the fog that is detected in Europe has reached the United States, and is to be spreading the southeastern part of Canada now. This deadly fog can kill anyone due to its lack of oxygen. The only reason why the United States discovered this fog is because communication systems gets hijacked due to the fog's interference. All residents in the southern and mid-Canada are advised to shelter in place immediately. Close all air conditioners, gas lines, and air vents. Lock all windows and doors, and block all holes or any vents or A/Cs that it's possible where the fog might enter in. Hide in a basement or in a lowest floors sturdy building's interior. Make sure to have food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, flashlight, and a battery-powered or hand crank radio for your survival. Please stay tuned to radio station for more information on this dangerous situation.
All clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. All clear. It is safe to go outside. However, structures and homes are still collapsed, and should be cleared by the clearing operations. But if your homes have no damage, it is safe to go outside. We thank you for your cooperation, and we may now resume normal programming.